actually what I can do is just take the signal from the oscilloscope and put it instead over here. So now the oscilloscope probe goes directly into the amplifier. Let's set the volume to the minimum, let's turn on the power supply. Okay, and now we can hear what's going on, increasing the... Okay, let's change the frequency. This is the minimum, so the 30 Hz. Then we go up. And you see we can have a continuous adjustment of the frequency very easily.